What's up guys, I'm Raspreet Gill and I'm back with yet another Octavia video. And the reason for all these Octavia vids is because the car completes a year this month of September. So I figured why not, let's just make a little bit of a tribute by modding up bits of the car in different segments. And this time next up are the turn indicators and the wing mirror, which we're about to make dynamic. So let's get at that and check out the process. So to begin with the process, you'll be needing a little spudging tool as well as a torque screwdriver right here. And to make it easier, you're gonna have to just jut the mirror backwards like that. So to install and get to the back of your turn indicator on the mirror, you actually have to dismantle everything in this cluster right here. So begin by pulling the mirror out. And there you go, just like that. It snaps out of there. So you take a look at the back here. You have 3 cables to disconnect. 1, 2, and then the third one's right on top there. So as you can clearly see, the blue one's at the bottom, the red and black one is above it. And then there you go, disconnects. So you gotta hold on to this, and that's when you can pull it out. Same way for the blue cable, hold on to it. So that's the mirror disconnected. Next up is a couple of screws, one down there and one up there. That's out as well. Next we need to remove the mirror cover, and for that we have 2 clips, one out here and one up there. So you shove it and that clip is out. Next up is this one. Next up, we need to remove the entire frame that holds the mirror. So to remove the mirror cover now, we've already removed the torque screws. And we're going to just simply unclip it from here, bring it out. And there you go, that clip is out. For the frame, you'll be able to see it clearly. That's one clip holder, that's the second clip holder, and then the third clip holder is out here. And now we're all ready to remove the turn indicator. Yep, that is it. The turn indicator is all set to be removed. We start by disconnecting this cable. As you can see, they've used LEDs for this out here on this version of the car for the puddle lamp. Alright, there you go. That's your puddle lamp out of the way. And there we have it at last. It's a basic LED turn indicator on the wing mirror.
You see how freaky this thing looks? The amount we've had to dismantle just to fit in this light.
And this is our new dynamic turn indicator. Let's get in and put this right away. So all we'll do is we move it into the clip position. And that's it. It's inserted. Next up, we need to connect the puddle light. Now we're going to connect the main connection to a dynamic turn indicator here. And that goes in that. And all we'll do here is just simply bring it out. And so the main thing that's going to hold this in place is going to be the mirror frame, due to all the clips that go into it. Be sure to bring these wires out carefully.
Time to put the screws back in the mirror frame, and before moving ahead, let's give it a quick test. And nice! Look at the way it's swaying, man. Dynamic all the way. Connect the white connector back into the mirror, the blue wire down, and the red one right above it. Now reconnect the outer cover by pushing it into its holders. Hear the clips clicking in, shove it in snugly. And at last, push the mirror back in, it'll clip into place, and that is it.
So there we have it guys. We finally installed these dynamic turn indicators. They took a lot of time. It's down to Skoda's silly clips that they've installed here and there. So you got to actually dismantle the entire unit like I showed you. At the end of it, it's a fine look, a little bit of swag added to it with the dynamic motion that's happening. Other than that, if you did like the video and you're about to do it to your own Octavia, or maybe you want to just simply try this out on some other car, do give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so you'll know whenever I post the next video.